open road is calling, and we're never ever stalling. Come along with TK Adventures.
Hello, we've gone on a little adventure again today. We're going to Tatton Park, I think it's called.
Yeah.
Going seeing this, apparently a really...
It's like a dog show, isn't it?
Yeah, a really big dog show.
Yeah, our friends invited us.
Yeah.
They've got 2 dash hounds, we're only one's coming today.
Yeah, so we're going... it's actually really nice today as well, so it's not too bad. It's meant to be really, really, really hot. So come join us.
That's beautiful. We love a happy ending. That's brilliant. Good luck, guys.
You ready for this, Lola? It's a really pretty place. No, I've never actually been to that. Such a pretty park. Meant to be 2 kilometers.
Hello.
I want to go to that lake over there. Can you not see it? Well, there's people driving on the grass. Go and find some what?
Wandering around.